What's up, Otters? Today I'm going to help you determine how to build your crisis management team. My name is Scott Bartnick. I'm one of the co-founders here at Otter PR. And first off, it's important to discuss what a crisis management team is. So a crisis management team is a group of people who are empowered to make decisions on behalf of the company in the case of a crisis. Now, this is a critical part of your crisis management plan. I always recommend having a crisis management plan where you clearly outline your team. So teams are really much simpler than you think. What it is you have a leader and an alternate. Those leader and alternate are the people who are designed to pull everyone together, get the meeting going, have the conversation started, and take quick action. This is really the most critical part of that plan. Then you need to outline other specific stakeholders. I always recommend having alternates, especially if maybe that person is involved in the crisis themselves. You might want to remove them from that team just so you can get things settled out. So the next important part is that spokesperson. Usually you'll have one person talking to the media, responding to questions and inquiries. You want to make sure that your team is consistent in responding to any questions that are coming in. This is going to be an important part. And really, guys, that's as simple as it gets. When you scale up to larger organizations, you're going to need more stakeholders involved. Usually you'll have someone from senior management who helps make sure that we understand the business as a whole. You want to make sure that anything that's being said is not going to negatively impact the business or make a larger negative impact to the business. You have to represent, again, the business and kind of take care of the steps through that process. If you have a very large organization, say you have a designated sales team, you have IT, you have different departments, each of those departments can have their own crisis management team with their own leader, and what they'll do is they'll report up to the overarching company leader to make you guys a nice little org structure. That way you guys know exactly who needs to be involved, and usually when you have that meeting to respond to a crisis, you'll get all those leaders into their room. Anyways, guys, I know this was a short answer, but the important part of it is making sure that you have a plan. If you have a plan, you have a designated spokesperson, and you kind of practice what potential crises could happen, that's going to keep you prepared for most things. When you do build out that plan, what we always like to do is kind of say, what are the worst case scenarios? What is possible to happen? Where do we think we could potentially get in trouble in the sense of these openings? And then make sure our team's prepared for it. Make sure that you guys do practice runs. It's outlined in there, and you're ready to go. Anyways, guys, if you have any questions, looking forward to helping you. Reach out anytime. Thank you.